So, you know what I'm saying?
Oh my God, it came! It finally came!
Hey. What it do, YouTube, man? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy Trey, man. Look, as you guys can see, your boy got the Widebody kit. All right, your boy got the Widebody kit, and you know I got my boy Zoe. You know what I'm saying?
Oh my God, it came! It finally came!
Hey,
yo,
they been playing, bro.
It's crazy, bro. It's crazy.
So, you know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna do too much talking. About to just unbox this thing real quick. Show you guys what's in the box. Oh, make sure you guys click the link in the description down below. Go subscribe to my boy.
ZoTV.tv, man.
All right, let's get into this thing. Ooh, they provided AM. Hey, if any of y'all want this, I'm gonna sell it to you guys for like 30 bucks because I got the other one. We don't need this ugly ass thing right here. What's this?
The grill. Out of this third.
It's the splitter, the diffusion.
Okay.
Wait. Him feel like Christmas, boss.
Yo, why you scared to take it apart? You ever, you had Christmas before, bro, when you open up your presents, you be excited again. You don't want to take that joy away.
See that wide body thing? No, I ain't gotta worry about the probably not gonna sand it down too much. Probably gonna get some grease and wax remover to get all that shiny stuff off. And then I'm gonna paint it. Oh wait, thinking so.
That thing look crazy, bro.
When I paint it and wrap it, it's gonna be a whole nother car, man.
It's gonna be crazy.
Hey y'all, you guys see I'm using my lamp. But
hey, you do it, man.
huh?
You gotta do it.
But yeah, I was talking about like the there's some brackets that go right here, and then I gotta get this piece that goes on top because I forgot to take it off the old bumper before I sold it.
The weather strip?
It's
not the weather strip.
that radiator cover strap that sits on top.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. We'll unwrap the rear bumper for you guys. You want to do it for me, Zoe?
I got you, man.
Ooh-wee. Gonna look like a whole nother car, Zoe. It's gonna look like a whole nother car. Hey, the last time they saw it, though, it was just a basic Charger.
And it was.
What you think about what it's gonna be now, Zoe?
I lost words, man. And you know what sucks about it, bro? Is that I can't say nothing about it. Y'all just gotta check out this man. Check out the goddamn video, man. Ooh.
You guys see it, man. So If you guys don't know, there's some indents in the rear bumper, like some circle cutouts. I can put parking sensors back there because Vicrez pretty much did it. Like they you guys can probably see it like right there. Yeah, they did everything just like OEM. Like this is literally just like OEM. Like it's crazy. Like literally. It's crazy. But I got the fender flares right here. I'm selling this grill right here because you guys know I got the snorkel grill. You know what I'm saying, Vicrez, you know what I'm saying? They sent me some goodies along with a beer opener. Shout out to Vicrez. What you thinking, Zoe?
I just can't wait to show everybody all this. So,
yeah, I just gotta get some grease and wax remover and get ready to paint that thing, man. So, about to go ahead and what we about to do right now?
Right now we are currently working on.
About to work on your bumper.
Yeah, my bumper. Yeah, that's what we're working on.
Hey, I be telling this man he need to be uploading. He got look, y'all. He got an iPhone with Max, and he don't even be uploading videos like that.
Oh my God.
Tell me why he got a phone like that. He ain't editing nothing. You know what I'm saying? Y'all need to tell him to stop playing.
Yeah.
Don't stop playing.
I'm not gonna let y'all down, man. We about to get it in. We about to get it in.
Cause ain't nobody out here doing like Mustang content like that, so. Hey yo, you guys need to check out also his he had a Sub-Zero Camaro. This man be doing all different types of stuff. All right.
Oh man.
But
yeah,
y'all know what comes with the wide body. You feel me? Like, you know what I'm saying? It's the same old. You know what I'm saying? This is what comes in the boxes. The box was all dinged up and beat up and all that good stuff, but we ain't gonna pay attention to that. But let me see some, cause
just like for the front.
Yeah, I ain't putting that on. I ain't putting that on there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, these are the wide body fender flares right here. So you guys want to see that video, man? See me paint this whole wide body kit. Stay tuned in the next video, cause that's what it's gonna be. I'm gonna paint this the factory color of my car, so that way when I do take the wrap off, everything matches. So you guys just gotta stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. Y'all think I'm playing when it comes to this build, right, Zoe?
What they think you playing?
Should I take them a sneak peek real quick to the you know what I'm saying? You know, Zoe ain't seen it in person yet,
yeah,
but
give him a little sneak peek. Ram. And just like that.
Oh, so
Crazy.
you think about that roof, man? What you think about that roof?
Because let me take all this. Let me get all of it in.
Get that flashlight out.
Sheesh. Wait a minute. Hold on. That.
Oh, this jump finna look nasty when I'm done with it.
That's crazy.
You know what's crazy? I'm thinking about doing the trunk in Forge zone. That, and that then Forge. Thinking about it.
And this part right here, the whole thing?
No, this the trunk lid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you got to offset that. Do that in reverse.
I might just leave it. Yeah, man. What you thinking, Zoe?
That shit is crazy. That's crazy.
Like them handles, huh?
Yeah, that's crazy.
The rims gonna do it, Zoe.
Sheesh.
The rims is gonna do it.
Rims is gonna make a hit. Something crazy like.
All right, you guys, so y'all see it, man. Y'all see your boy got the wide body kit. Y'all think I'm playing games when it comes to this build, man. This was basically the most basic line Charger. You hear me? The most basic line Charger. And I'm turning it into something completely different. Now that's what you call a build. Okay, for all you out there talking about some, oh, it's a goofy build. Hey, when that wide body thing on there, whoo-wee. Whoo. You feel me? It's gonna look good. But that's gonna wrap it up for this video, you guys. You know what I'm saying? My boy Zoe, you know what I'm saying? He recording that thing. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video, man. I'm about to go ahead and get this, start working on his bumper. If you guys wanna see that, go check out his content. But I'm gonna see you guys in the next one, all right? Peace.